Hey, this is Gerald with Bass Kicking Adventures. Just wanted to show you this. There's my dog Luke, and the little one over there is Boss Man. But anyways, I wanted to show you this little pond that I'm fishing at today. Kind of need a kayak in here. You can't really get around and fish from the bank too good. But I wanted to show you all these. Everywhere you look, there's these trees that the beavers have chewed on. And when I go back around, I'll show you the Beaver House. This one right here has freshly been chewed up. You can see all the shavings down here. But on the other side of the pond, there was smaller trees than that all over the place that the beavers had chewed up, and the trees had fell over, and then they dragged a lot of those limbs over here to this beaver house that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. I don't think I've ever seen a pond that shows signs this much of a beaver. Good boy. Good boy, Boss Man. Well, I didn't get any bites today. It's cold. You know, it's definitely not great water conditions to be bass fishing, but I just wanted to give it a try. But anyways, this is the Beaver House that I was talking about. So they've been working hard around this pond, dragging these sticks from all over the place. And of course, Boss Man's got to go check everything out. What is it, boy? Something in there? Something in there? What's that, boy? But anyways, appreciate you watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. I got more videos coming. Have a good day. Look, what is that, boy?